single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, gorgeous Jane Store, and you are watching. So for today's video is that we are going to create, my gosh, my eyelashes. We are going to create this look. This look is actually inspired for some of the prom night that is actually coming, like this coming months. There's will be like maraming mga like prom, yung mga JS prom dyan. So we need to have this kind of look. So if you were interested, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I post my new video. So don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to watch until the end so that you will be like know the detail of how I did this like that. So you know that marami nang mangyayari, like dapat maging maganda ka sa prom kasi nga titingalaan ka ng maraming tao and then maraming nagtitingnan sa'yo, dapat naman maging maganda ka doon. So like that. So this inspiration is just like a night beauty glam, because usually yung mga prom is like sa gabi naman what do you call this, night, ang hirap mag-English, sa gabi siya ginagawa. So I guess this is a very nice and a perfect look for you to have, and I mean like to stand out in a certain event and occasion. So if you want to be glam and to become like a head turner, so you need to have like this kind of look, which is something like darker, fiercer, and gorgeous at all night at your prom. So keep on watching, bitches. I mean, gorgeous. So there, we are going to start it by using a lavender scented invigorating wet wipes to clean up our face. So we are going to get this one and start wiping it so that some of the dirt that excesses that is present into our face, well, so it's very important for you na tanggalin mo muna at linisin muna natin yung ating mukha before we apply some of the products such as like what do you call this, foundation like that and whatsoever. So we need to make sure and secure that everything is clear and clean. And secondly, we are going to use this aloe vera hydrogel moisturizer to our face kasi yung power niya nito is that to hydrate our face, and this is really good para kumapit din yung products such as like foundation sa ating mukha. So ayan po, I'm done with my eyebrows and put my contact lens on, and as well as I applied already my primer into my eyes. So this time we are going to use this Everbolena Cherry Blush in the shade of Chic as our transition. So I'm gonna be using this one kahit blush on to, so we are going to use this one as our transition. So ilalagay po natin siya sa ating outer crease. So ayan po, with the same brush, I'm also using this Everbolena Cherry Blush in the shade of Earth. So we will be using this one to intensify our transitional shade. Yung importante kasi when it comes to like prom look, we need to have like intensifying colors in our eyes because gabi nga, usually gabi siya what do you call this, nagaganap. So we need to make a color that is striking at night. So we will proceed to this Nude New palette from Huda Beauty, and we are going to use the shade of Love Bite, and then the same thing ilalagay natin sa ating outer crease. So this time we are going to use this Avon palette, and we are going to take a darker shade which is black, of course. So ayan, ilalagay po natin yan sa ating crease, and then after that one we are going to like mix with the upper shade that we used earlier to make it seamless. And we are going to use this kinky shade in this outer V, and so we are going to mix with that one with the darker shade and make sure it should be seamless. So this time we are going to create a cut crease. And so we will be applying this Excite shade. It's something like glitter, and we are going to put that one on the cat crease that we made earlier. This time we are going to apply a gel liner in our under eye, just only in the outer V. We are going to use the darker one, but we are not going to make it full to the extent the whole thing in our lower eye, but only in this side. So we're almost done with our eyes, and now we are going to put a false eyelashes. So we are going to do that off cam. So we're done with our eyes, and now this time we will be working with our foundation. So I'll be using this Infallible 24 Fresh Foundation L'Oreal Paris in the shade of Golden Beige. So I guess talagang napakaganda if yung what do you call this? If yung gagamitin mong eyeshadow is something dark, because gabi nga, so kinakailangan na dark yung eyeshadow mo para striking yung kulay niya at talagang nanlalamon yung kanyang ara. So we need like darker colors, any kind of eyeshadows for as long as dark. That is my advice. Kung pupunta kayo ng mga ng mga prom like that one, I guess this is a perfect look. I mean eyeshadow for the prom. So a bit of dark eyeshadow and a white face. So kung napapansin mo, yung kulay ng ating foundation is a bit more whiter than our complexion right here. Kung mapapansin mo, talagang napakaputi, day. So, pahala na. And so this time we are going to use our favorite pot, which is the shimmering like bronzer. No, not bronzer, but highlight. Okay, so we are almost done, and we are for our final look. So we will be right back for our final look in 3, 2, 1.
Every single day, I'm gone.